Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can hide all Facebook photos quickly with a one click, and it's pretty simple. You just have to follow me. So first of all, you just have to tap on top right corner of your profile icon. After tapping on it, now you have to just tap on settings. And here you have to just scroll down and you have to find an option which is profile and tagging. And here you guys can see this is option profile and tagging. You just have to tap on it. Now you have to tap on who can see post you are tagged in your profile. So you just have to tap on everyone which is on right side. After tapping on it, now what you can do is it is always by default on everyone. Now what you have to do is you just have to tap on only me. Now what it can do is it will hide all posts from your profile in which you are tagged in or you uploaded by yourself, and you guys can hide all Facebook photos in one click. That's all for today guys. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.